So when a customer writes me about the Inset, they are just writing about it on a technical level. They aren't sympathetic to the experimental procedures that we're attempting with it to try to make it faster or better or more unique or different or better. They just care about why Inset is not like the videos. All right. So we just draw a few cuts, just having fun here. Nothing major. You know, I like to toggle off a box and toggle back in the box in order to reset things out of box. Just me being weird. In fact, I don't know what happened there. We're just going to pretend that did not happen. And continuing on. So something like that. Now we have a little bit of a complex happening. So now let's pretend we're a brand new customer. They're going to perform a cut and they're going to try that fancy new Inset. And when they press I, okay, that's fine. They're like, whoa, Inset's kind of cool. I want to try Inset again. So they try it again. And of course we want to make sure that we're over the mesh in the right place. And now we see that Inset just isn't getting us there. In fact, we press T and it's not letting us really get much as far as adjustments are concerned. However, whenever it comes to the frustrations that Inset was causing in its automated days, that it was like completely mad, its issues came down to basically it adjusting the Inset after you've already paused it from adjusting the Inset to perfection. So here I'm trying to just create an Inset, but this mesh appears to already be falling apart. And so let's go ahead and do a smart apply. And I just want to analyze this mesh because why is this mesh falling apart? We just made it. We're going to go ahead and hit it with a clean mesh. And it's really treating us like we used exact on this, and we didn't. We just performed normal Boolean operations. But this is why Inset is so risky, because Inset does very weird things to the mesh, and you're not always completely aware of it because these things are live Boolean modifiers. But I'm just trying to prove how automatic Inset can definitely be problematic. And it's because of these sort of things happening, because the user isn't fully aware that there's automatic systems happening. And because of that, we have to put these sort of things on toggles. And really, whenever you look at Boxcutter and you see a slew of toggles, is because we want to offer users a chance to opt into all of these unpredictable behaviors that they possibly aren't exactly agreeing to. I find it important that you agree to whatever it is that you're trying to do once you're getting into the tool, so that way you can toggle it to the way that you prefer it be. As a result, it's resulted in more toggles than normal, but this is something that also has resulted in a tool that's also more option-based and more customizable than normal, because I can go in here, for example, and turn on alternate extrude because of my personal belief that if I draw a cut and I move the mouse, it should basically cut the view based on where I'm looking. But back to Inset. We're just talking about how Inset should be a particular way out of the box, and that the version that we offer to customers should be a little bit more stable than what we were initially offering. So now we see that Inset is able to be left in that clamp state and it won't be so bad. But previously it was actually quite bad. And really the whole purpose of this update was prompted by a user saying like, hey, what the heck happened to your Inset? Your Inset is terrible. It's like more terrible than usual, and it turned out that he meant it was more terrible than it's ever been. So as a result, you now have clamp Inset delegated to a checkbox, and if you want to experiment having an automatic clamp, just know that it is a preference that you enabled, and you can disable it if you want it to go back to being classic.